Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and welcome to this paper crafting card making tutorial. This is the card I'm showing you today. Now this features the, what is it called here? A Little Bit Festive Design Specialty Designer Series paper, and all of these elements come from this paper and from the Ephemera pack, which is the Joyful Sayings Ephemera pack, and I wanted to show you how easy these two products make card making. So let me show you here the paper, and I can show you, take this out. We're going to just go through this quickly, and we're going to pick out a few elements to make our card. Now you've got these pieces here for your card backs, and these all pop out like that. And then you've got some normal designer series paper, and then let me show you the normal paper. We've got that one as well, and that one, and then you've got these two die cut sheets, and this is what we're going to be using today. So we're going to have a look here, and I think I'm going to use this piece here. I've just seen it and I absolutely love it. It's a beautiful wreath. So if we have that on a card that's upside down, wouldn't that look pretty? Just like that. And let's see if there's anything else we can add to that that would make it look even prettier. Let's see what this bow looks like. No, I'm not sure. I feel it covers up too much. Yeah, I feel it covers up too much. Don't worry. You could also pop out all of these elements and then have that. So you could have that like that as well. It's too samey. Let's see what else we've got. We've got some little stars here. I'm going to pop these out because we could use these. So we've got one there. Another one there. And you want a third one. There's a third one there. So I think that's everything from this sheet. Let's move on to the second sheet. And isn't this cute? Look at this teddy bear. Isn't that just darling? Love it, love it, love it. Let's see what else we could use here. I'm just thinking whether this would look nice. Oh yeah, I like that. So we'll keep the little gingerbread man. And let's see what else we could use. I think that's it from here. Everything else seems a little big. A little bit the same sort of dimensions. So we're going to put this back in this little plastic pouch. And I just got these online, and I love it because they're really good quality and they hold everything so easily. So I'm just going to put everything back in there. We'll sort that out later. So this is what we've got so far. We've got our background here, and now I'm actually gonna, this goes on top of here. I'm actually going to add a little bit of colour to this, and I think I'm going to use some blending brushes, and I'm just going to use an ink pad, and I'm wondering what colour to use. I think I'm going to use red, just very light hand in red. So I'm going to get my real red, and then I'm going to use just a small red blending brush that's here, and I'm going to use a very light hand just to pick up this texture and make it a bit more visible, but I'm not going to go heavy at all. I'm just picking up the texture. Just like that. And just to give it a little bit of distress, something else in the background. Okay, so it's not so stark white. Then I'm going to stick this to my front, so I'm going to get some glue. And now my card base is real red. It's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. So let's put this on the front. And there we go. And then I have another piece of paper, same measurements on the inside. And I should have said this embossing folder I put it in is called the Forever Plaid embossing folder. And so one of our new 3D embossing folders, and I absolutely love it. So there we go. So now I'm going to bring in some of our ephemera packs. And I really love this addition to Stampin' Up's line. So first I'm going to bring in this. This is called the Joyful Images. And I think I'm going to be buying another packet of this for sure. So let's have a look and see what we've got. We've got our wreath, and then we've got our few stars that we can put about. Let's have a look at this bow here. See how this little red one looks. That looks nice, doesn't it? I think that is nice. Let's see if there's anything else here that we could use. We could also see this bow. Let's have a look at this one and see. No, that's not going to work. It's too, it's not bold enough. Let's see whether that works. Not sure. Let's see. And this is what you can do, is just mess about with the card until you find something you're happy with. But I tend to be a less is more kind of girl when it comes to my cards. I don't fill up the page with tons and tons of stuff. It's just not the way I rock. And I really like having all of these pieces that you can see. So I think I'm going to leave it at that and look for a sentiment. So let's see what we've got here. This is our joyful sayings. Let's have a look at what we've got. 'Tis the season. You've got celebrate. All these lovely foiled ones. What about this one? Let's see. That looks nice. I think I'm going to go with that. I'm going to pop up a lot of stuff so it's going to really make it pop. So let's bring in lots of dimensionals. I'm going to keep this bit flat. So let's do that. Such a pretty wreath, isn't it? And let's pop up our sentiment. So do you like the ephemera packs? If you do, what's your favourite one? Because we've got the Christmas ones and we have the normal card making ones as well. Would you like to see more videos maybe using die cuts and ephemera packs? If that's the case, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to read your comments, so do comment. There we go. Let's pop our little bow up. Wish I could tie a bow so it would look so pretty, but there's not a hope that I would ever be able to do that. Bows and me don't always get along. I love how they look, don't get me wrong, but creating them, we're not always the best of friends, unfortunately. I know there's various hacks, and I've watched videos, and I still haven't got the hack of it. So we'll see. Maybe it'll be a resolution for some time in the next year to learn to make a bow. There we go. And then we're going to have our little Cute little gingerbread man. And I'm just going to use some of these mini dimensionals. Take the backings off, and then let's have him standing there in front of his wreath. And let's see, where should we put the stars? I think I'm going to keep to the sort of diagonal theme. Yeah, that looks nice. So I'll pop these up as well on dimensionals. Told you we're popping up a lot. Really just gives it that something, I think. It really does. So there we go. Have you started to make your cards yet? Your Christmas cards? Are you a tradition? Do you like a traditional Christmas card, or do you like something a bit more out of the box? What's your thoughts? I tend to go for cutesy for my cards, but I also like floral cards a lot as well. Okay, so here we have 2 cards using the Little Bit Festive and the Joyful Sayings and Images Ephemera packs. I hope you like them. Really simple to make, really easy. 2 lovely Christmas cards. As I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. And if you want more information, do head over to my blog. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.